Good morning, students. Welcome to the online classes of Leal Public School. How are you? I hope you all are good at home and enjoy your classes. Students, in the last video, we have read the chapter and complete our book exercise. Now it's time to do assignment of this chapter. Chapter number 13 are safety. Okay, students. Now look at your first question. Complete the word dart. Okay. Oh, okay. Now our first question is we should not we should not play with as we may get burned. किससे हमें नहीं खेलना चाहिए जिससे हम बर्न हो सकते हैं. Yes, what? Fire. So what we write here? Fire. 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 Our second question is we should not talk to the on the road. हमें रोड पर किससे बात नहीं करनी चाहिए. किससे नहीं करनी चाहिए? स्ट्रेंजर से, अजनबियों से हमें बातें नहीं करनी चाहिए. STRANGERS, okay beta. Now next is we may cross the carefully. We may cross the carefully. हमें क्या carefully cross करना चाहिए? Road. What? ROAD. Road. What? ROAD. Road. Okay बेटा. Playing with sharp object might you. जो अगर आप शार्प ऑब्जेक्ट से प्ले करते हो, खेलते हो, तो वो आपको क्या कर सकते हैं? हर्ट कर सकते हैं. सो व्हाट वी राइट हियर ऑन थर्ड नंबर? HURT. हर्ट. Okay, look at this. What is next? Yes, play. If we touch switches with wet hand, we may get. Yes, अगर हम गीले हाथों से स्विचेस को टच करेंगे तो हमें क्या लग सकता है? Yes, tell me. शॉक. शॉक लग सकता है ना हमें? SHOCK, है ना. अगर हम स्विचेस को वेट हैंड से टच करते हैं तो हमें क्या लगता है? शॉक. शॉक लग सकता है हमें, करंट लग सकता है. इज दैट क्लियर? सो लुक एट द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. What is next? Yes, look at the pictures and write whether they are safe और अनसेफ. आपको बताना है कि ये जो पिक्चर्स हैं ये सेफ है या अनसेफ है. ओके बेटा. ओके, नाउ राइट हियर वेयर वी राइट. ओके. ओके बेटा. यस. A children playing with a knife. This is safe or unsafe? Tell me. Unsafe. Unsafe. This is unsafe. Okay, next. A child crossing a road at zebra crossing. Yes, safe. Is it safe? Yes, safe. Playing with fire. No, this is unsafe. So what we write here? Unsafe. Unsafe. Playing with electric switches. No, this is unsafe. अगर आप इलेक्ट्रिक स्विचेस के साथ प्ले करोगे, खेलोगे, तो आपको शॉक लग सकता है, करंट लग सकता है ना. यस. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज moving to the next question. Yes, tick the correct option. What? Tick the correct option. Okay, look at this. At home we learn to be safe and away from. At home we learn to be safe and away from dangers. अगर हम घर पर रहते हैं तो हमें क्या सीखना चाहिए? सेफ रहना और अवे फ्रॉम डेंजर्स. किससे दूर रहना सीखना चाहिए हमें? डेंजर से, खतरे से दूर रहना चाहिए. We must pay attention to the lights when crossing a road? Yes, what? Traffic. We must pay attention to the traffic lights when crossing a road. जब हम रोड क्रॉस करते हैं तो हमें किस पर अटेंशन करनी चाहिए? ट्रैफिक लाइट्स पे, उनको हमें देखना चाहिए केयरफुली. Okay, now next is we must get burned if we play with, yes, if we play with matchsticks. देखो, अगर हम ब्लेड से करेंगे तो हमारे हाथ को कट हो सकता है, शार्प ऑब्जेक्ट हमको कट कर सकते हैं, लेकिन हम किससे बर्न हो सकते हैं? मैच स्टिक से. अगर हम उसका खेलेंगे और अगर उसमें फायर आ गई तो हम क्या हो सकते हैं? बर्न हो सकते हैं, जल सकते हैं. ओके, नेक्स्ट. अ डैश इज अ शार्प ऑब्जेक्ट. स्विच, बॉल और नाइफ? नाइफ. We should not touch with wet hands. What? Scissor, door or switches? Switches. We should not touch switches with a wet hand. Is that clear? Okay, so moving to the next question. Yes. Okay, now next is, yes. First, find the word from the chapter that rhymes with the following. Okay. MULES, mules. मतलब rule, mules, mules, rules, है ना? So what we write here? Yes, what we write here? Rules. RULES, rules. Okay. Todd का क्या होगा? रोड, ROAD, रोड. राइमिंग वर्ड में मैम ने आपको पहले भी बताया था ना, सिर्फ और सिर्फ अपन को जो हम करते हैं वो फर्स्ट लेटर चेंज हो जाता है. ओके, नाउ टाइप लाइट, LIGHT, लाइट. ओके, कैचेस, मैच, matches, matches, CHES, ना मैच बॉक्स होता है ना. लॉक, शॉप, OCK, shop. Okay, students, I hope you all are understood assignment of this chapter. Now it's time to do copy work of this chapter. Okay, beta? How should you write in your copies? You should write firstly lesson number 13 in your copy, in your first line. Then in your second line, you should write name of the lesson, or safety. So our first question is dictation word. What? Dictation word. Remember one thing, when you write in your copies, please write neatly and don't mistake. Okay? First is danger. DANGER, danger. DANGER, danger. Second is object. OBJECT, object. OBJECT, object. Third is switch. SWITCH, switch. SWITCH, switch. Fourth is electric. ELECTRIC, electric. ELECTRIC, electric. Fifth is shock. SHOCK, shock. SHOCK, shock. Sixth is burn. BURNT, burn. Seventh is stairs. STAIRS, stairs. STAIRS, stairs. Eighth is important. IMPORTANT, important. IMPORTANT, important. Ninth is traffic. TRAFFIC, traffic. TRAFFIC, traffic. Tenth is footpath. FOOT, foot. PATH, path, footpath. 11th is beside. BESIDE, beside. BESIDE, beside. 12th is always. ALWAYS, always. ALWAYS, always. Now moving to the second question. You should open your new page and you should write lesson number 13 in your first line. Then question number 2, fill in the blanks. We must not play or run on the road. We must not play or run on the road. Second is we must walk on the footpath. We must walk on the footpath. Third is safety rules must be followed always. Safety rule must be followed always. Fourth is we should not play with sharp objects. We should not play with sharp objects. Okay. Fifth is we should cross the road at zebra crossing. We should cross the road at zebra crossing. Is that okay? Now moving to the next question. Okay. Again, open your new page and you should write lesson number in your first line, then question number 3 in your second line. Take the correct option. Take the correct option. We must not touch with wet hands. हमें अपने गीले हाथों से क्या टच नहीं करना चाहिए? Electric switches, toys or books? Electric switches. So we take on it. Next is we must not talk to friends, family or strangers. Strangers. That's why we take on it. We must walk on the road, footpath, fence. फुटपाथ हमें कहां पर वॉक करने चाहिए? फुटपाथ. We must cross the road with an older person, alone or with strangers. Yes, with an older person. Okay. Next is again open your new page and you should write lesson number. Then question number 4, circle the correct word. The red light says. The red light says stop or go. Stop. Green light says stop or go. Go. Yellow light says wait. Yellow light says wait. Okay. We must cross the road with older or younger person. Older person. That's why we circle on it. Next is safety rules must be followed sometime or always. Always. हमें हमेशा safety rules को follow करना चाहिए. Next is again take your new page and you should write lesson number in your first line. Then question number 5, put right or wrong. First is we must cross the road with strangers. We must cross the road with strangers. हमें जब हम road cross करते हैं तो क्या हमें strangers के साथ road cross करनी चाहिए? No. We must not touch electric switches with wet hand. क्या हमें गीले हाथों से electric switches को touch नहीं करना चाहिए? Yes. The yellow light says go. No, it's wrong. We must cross the road with an older person. क्या हमें जब हम road cross करते हैं तो हमें किसी बड़े के साथ road cross करनी चाहिए? Yes. Now moving to the next question. Lesson number 13. You should write in your first line. Then question number 6. Match the following. Okay, look at this. Red, green, yellow. Cross the road. Do not run. Okay, wait, on the road, go, stop, zebra crossing. Okay, so red light says stop, green light, go, yellow light, wait, cross the road, zebra crossing, do not run on the road. Now moving to the next question. Again, you should write lesson number in your first line. Then question number 7, name them. We should not play with sharp object. हमें किससे नहीं खेलना चाहिए? जो तीखी चीजें होती हैं हमें उससे नहीं खेलना चाहिए. We should not open the door for strangers. जिनको हम नहीं जानते हैं उनके लिए हमें अपने घर के जो doors होते हैं उनको open नहीं करना चाहिए. Do not touch switches with wet hand. हमें गीले हाथों से किसी भी स्विच को ऑन नहीं करना चाहिए, टच भी नहीं करना चाहिए उसे. We should walk on the footpath. हमें हमेशा कहाँ वॉक करनी चाहिए? फुटपाथ पर. Now next is again you should write lesson number 13 in your first line. Then question number 8, name the following. 3 traffic lights. 3 traffic lights. Red, green or yellow. Red, green, yellow. 3 sharp object. 3 sharp object. Knife, blade and scissors. Knife, blade and scissors. Next is okay. Again
you should write lesson number in your first line. Then question number 9, give answer in one word. How many colors are there in the traffic light? How many colors? 3. Okay. Next is question number 2. What does the green light say? What does the green light say? Go. Question number 3 is where should we not play? Where should we not play? On the road. हमें रोड के ऊपर नहीं खेलना चाहिए. What happens when we run on the stairs? What happens? We fall down. जब हम stairs पे run करते हैं तो क्या हो सकता है? हम गिर सकते हैं. Next is yes, your last question. You should write lesson number in your first line. Then question number 10. Answer these questions. Number 1, where should we cross the road? We cross the road at the zebra crossing. We should cross the road at the zebra crossing. हमें हमेशा zebra crossing पर ही road को cross करना चाहिए. What happens if we play with sharp objects? क्या होगा अगर हम sharp object के साथ खेलेंगे? If we play sharp objects, we can get hurt. If we play with sharp objects, यहाँ पर हम with लिख लेंगे. If we play with sharp objects, we can get hurt. I also write there with. If we play with sharp objects, we can get hurt. If we play with sharp objects, we can get hurt. हम hurt हो सकते हैं, हमें चोट लग सकती है. Okay. Now next question is where should we follow safety rules? Where should we follow safety rules? हमें safety rules कहाँ follow करना चाहिए? We should follow safety rules everywhere. हमें हर जगह safety rules को follow करना चाहिए. Okay, so students, I hope that's enough for today's class. We will meet in next meeting. Till then, you do your assignment and copy work in your copies in neat and clean handwriting. Take care. Bye bye.